Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. And firstly we need to check if you have some update maybe. So open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. And then check information about update. I haven't because I have the last software version. But if you have, you need to update it, and it can fix this problem. Next step is try to disable dock. It's available only for Android devices, and on iOS devices we haven't this line, but you need to go to the settings, and right here, maybe in the fourth line, you will see something like audio quality. At this channel we have video how to enable or disable dock, so maybe you need to try to disable or enable it, and this one is it can fix your problem. Now next step is to disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability, and again you just go to the settings from the application. And right here at the fifth line we have multi-point connection. You tap at this line and disable. Try to disable it, and maybe it can fix this problem. Next step is to perform soft reset. Maybe this one is help you. It's really quick to do. So you just put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected. Then you open it, your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and maybe it fixed this problem. And also we can perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open delete, and on the right side we have connectional button. You need to press 3 times on it, and then the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. 1, 2, 3. We have it. Now we need to remove this earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list and we just reconnect it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!